Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video we have this Infinix X25C, which is from Infinix Smart series, and I'm going to show you how you can enter recovery mode on this phone, which is a bit different than the other. So first of all, simply turn off the phone. Once turned off, you have to hold the power key and the volume down key. So keep holding both of the keys. Leave the power button when you see the Infinix logo, and guys, there you can see the factory mode but in a different style. So from here you can simply factory reset with operating by your keys. Go to factory data reset, and that's it guys. Now your phone will restart and it will be resetted. So guys, that's how you can enter recovery mode and hard reset your Infinix phone. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.